The place to shop for your 4x needs is my4by.com. We have all the latest 4-buying and off-road parts, including shocks, lockers, lights, gears, and lifts. My4by.com carries parts and accessories for Jeeps, trucks, and SUVs, and has the largest selection of Rancho shocks available online. Our top-notch customer service and free help through customer user forum has made us the longest-running site for selling off-road parts. We have thousands of parts in stock and ready to ship with same-day shipping on most orders. Your online source for off-road parts is my4by.com.